all you single women, does this man look like an eligible bachelor to you?
On Valentine's Day this year, I got a phone call on my mobile. This woman's voice said, "You don't know me, but I thought I knew you." She was chatting to a guy called Martin Peterson. Let me introduce you to Martin. Somebody has been onto my Facebook profile and stolen 25 photos that I know of. She was really keen that we try to sting him. She was actually at one point, she said, "I'll meet him for dinner and then you walk in halfway through." But of course, they will never meet. They can't. They don't look like their photos. The other thing is to say is that we now know the scammers on the whole will tend to have 10 or 12 women on the go at once. They keep notebooks of what they've said to each woman. So it all happened very fast. This appeared in the Sunday Times, beginning the first Sunday in March. "Sorry ladies, I'm not the one you're looking for." Ain't that the truth? And within 2 hours of that appearing on the Sunday Times website, the Daily Mail had plagiarised the entire thing. So they went on my Twitter profile and my husband's Twitter profile and stole a whole load of photos. So they illustrated a piece about stealing photos from social media sites. By stealing photos from social media sites. We then did You and Yours on Radio 4. That went all over the place. It was on Pick of the Week. So why me? It's actually because my Facebook profile contained photos from business and holidays and Christmas. So they were able to construct an entire life. And I'm told those photos are probably now being sold as a file. If you think you might have something in your business that's newsworthy, this is a really good test to run. T, is it topical? Does it have topicality? This broke at about the same time as the Cambridge Analytica story broke. It was relevant to a number of different audiences. There's a reason the Daily Mail just jumped on this story, because they knew it was relevant to their audience, and this was unusual. Say, it's very rare for somebody in my position to put themselves out there and start talking about it publicly. Human interest is what makes people go, "This is relevant to me. What can I learn from this?" On your Facebook profile, do a view as search, and that will show you how your Facebook profile appears to somebody who's not your Facebook friend. Just think, who is this person I'm talking to? Are they who they say they are? How often do you verify who you're talking to online? It was an invasion of privacy, but actually hopefully I've taken ownership of it and turned it around. And I'm trying to turn it into something positive.